In this video, I'll show you where and how to set up your feed-based Amazon channel. Now, if you followed our preparation video, and I know I speak about this a lot, when you reach this phase, you should have all the required information in a folder on your desktop. The whole setup process should take a couple of minutes to complete. First, you need to go to creator.amazon.com. To publish on Amazon, you need an Amazon developer account. If you don't have one, please look out for our video about how to create an Amazon developer account. And if you already have one, just click sign in. In the upper right corner, click on create new app. Choose the feed option. From your TV Boss Fire account, click edit channel. And from the main channel page, copy the Amazon Fire TV feed URL. Paste it in and Amazon will validate the feed. If everything's okay, Amazon pulls in all the required information from the feed generated by TV Boss Fire. Of course, you can play around with the settings, but it's not recommended at all. If you make your setup properly in TV Boss Fire, Amazon has all the information and the correct information for every field. After the feed is validated, just click on Create. From this page, you can preview your channel, you can click Finish, or you can choose to edit how your channel will look like on Amazon Fire. Unfortunately, Amazon doesn't give a lot of styling options, but still, you can play around with some colors if you wish to. You can choose a light theme or a dark theme, you can play around with the colors, and so on and so forth. I want to focus on this screen because I wanted to show you the categories. You can see we only have one category, and the category appears exactly as I set up the tag that I've used in TV Boss Fire. If you remember our tutorial about how to add videos, you remember that we talked about tags. I spelled the tag travel tip with lowercase letters. So in the Amazon settings, it appears as travel tip spelled exactly like that. If you intend to publish your channel on Amazon Fire, we recommend to spell, for example, like this, capital T, then RAVEL, capital T, IPS, using uppercase letters too. Remember not to use any special characters or spaces. When the feed is updated on Amazon, our category will look a little bit normal and more appropriate. When you finish your setup, just click Finish. Amazon will make another check, then click Publish to your channel. It can take from 24 hours up to a couple of days, but usually they respond within 24 hours. If your channel has already approved, like it's live on Roku, Amazon will usually approve your channel, unless they found special characters in your setup or if they find any kind of copyrighted content. And that's it. Publishing a channel on Amazon Fire takes effectively only a couple of minutes. See you in the next video.